Why is the judge not deciding?
Because Mountain West Auto is going to take their title that they bought and their receipt that they bought and the whole proper chain of command. They're going to take it to a judge and they're going to say, hey, judge, Drew Rybar's not giving me my car back. And the judge is going to go, Drew Rybar, you're going to give him their car back.
I'm going to go to the judge and say, Your Honor, I followed the lien process. Okay. I talked to the investigator.
Was that lien sale ever approved by the department? No, because it's a stolen vehicle.
So if any vehicle is ever stolen and it runs through the lien process is entirely invalid then?
No, but
is that where does the law say this? I don't understand it. I haven't seen this in the decades I've been running the business. Where does the law say this?
This isn't hard to understand.
If it's not, if you tell me where the law says it.
I'm to argue with you. So the next part of this is
we are here to debate it and talk about it. So you can tell me if you simply give me an NRS.
I'm telling you that the department is not going to accept this lien sale.
Under what NRS?
It's a stolen vehicle. And it has proper ownership was proven because of the theft and where it was stolen from and who has it. So based on the ownership documentation, we're going to say that the lien sale is not going to be approved.
Okay, you're saying the lien sale is not approved. Okay.
Time out. So now we're going to recover it from being stolen.
Okay.
We're going to leave it here. You towed it. You provided services. Under somebody calling you and doing it, that's fine. And then we're gonna, if you would like to give us your information, or we can try to give you, I don't know if he has it, but my point is to put you in contact with the rightful owner of the vehicle from Mountain West Auto, their representation, and then they can work with you to dispute any type of fees or anything, like whatever's going on. But that's for you guys to work out. It's just not going to be stolen anymore.
So it's not going to be stolen.
Your customer that you sold a stolen vehicle to.
That we sold, but it was never stolen because we had it the whole time. It's your failure, the government's failure.
So after that, your customer, you can give him a refund or you can't, but he doesn't have a car. So that's something for you guys to figure out civilly as well.
So then how do I clear the title on this if they won't pay me their fees that you say they owe me?
What do you mean clear the title?
Well, because I still have a lien on this, right?
So again, like if let's say Mountain West,
the government ordered me to provide a free service to the government to remove the vehicle.
And Mountain West is showing
so hang on a second.
Saying that they want the vehicle.
But the government, listen to my question. The government ordered me to provide a free service to them. Okay. And in exchange for that, the government says I get a lien on the vehicle. Do I still have a lien on this vehicle?
This lien sale document.
Do I have a lien on this vehicle?
This lien sale document is not going to be approved.
You're not going to approve that document, but yes. Do I have a legal lien on this vehicle? Does A&A Towing Incorporated have a legal lien on this vehicle?
That's for you, because like I said, we've already discussed with the operations manager of Mountain West. We say, hey, do you want this vehicle? This is what you have. You reported it stolen. They provided all the paperwork. They said they did want it. We said, okay, this is where it is. This is who has it. This is what happened.
So if I don't have a legal lien, what can I enforce?
Are you listening to me?
But no, I need to know if I've got a legal lien, yes or no.
This lien sale was not approved.
So this lien sale is not approved. Yeah. So what would get the lien sale approved?
So I guess if at the end of Mountain West, if you guys can't come to some type of agreement or can't do anything, it has to be decided by a judge if you get the car or not, or if they don't want to pay the fees. But we're not taking it from you. We're just saying that you're not going to be approved because they have proper.
So again, the state of Nevada orders me to provide a free service.
Is there any other questions that you would want?
I'm asking the question. I'm ordered to provide a free service. I do the proper paperwork. I dot the I's. I cross the T's. The government doesn't put the proper notes in the computer. Then 8 months later, the government decides that the law was not properly followed.
I'm trying to give you the reason why this specific vehicle and this specific situation is what it is. And if you don't want to accept the proper documentation that the vehicle was stolen from somebody and that they have a rightful ownership to that vehicle and you want to try to dispute that, that's your right. And we're not taking the car and you provided a service, and Mountain West, the rightful owner of the vehicle.
Okay,
they have to.
Did Mountain West ever put their name on the title with DMV? Did it ever show up in a DMV search?
A dealership doesn't have to.
Okay, so a dealership doesn't have
There's
to.
laws for that.
They waited 3 months or 4 months before they discovered it was stolen. They waited a month after we had it in our custody.
The situation's been explained,
and it was.
I showed you the documents, the legal documents showing ownership.
And I showed your documents mean as much to me as the documents that I sent for my lien sales, the certified letters I paid for, the auction that I noticed. That mean as little to you as these documents do to me. This is a legal limbo. This is bullshit.
Okay, was there any other, I mean, is there any other like questions specific to this matter that you
How-
want, other than just saying the same thing over and over?
Okay, so can we get an appointment? I want to bring another customer and he wants to come in and talk to you guys on the camera too. When can we set up an appointment for that one? Because this one, I guess you guys haven't issued a title for a car in a year and a half or so. I sent you the last 6 of the VIN number earlier on both your messages. So when can we sit down together with this customer that wants to do all this on camera too?
Let us look to see who's, I don't know if that's is it a case?